Part of what I'll cover in the lecture tonight that really reflects a new area of my research is work thinking about the intersections of emerging technologies and social justice, and in particular, social work. So I hope students walk away inspired to use and explore emerging technologies and how it might relate to some of the work that they're trying to do as social workers, and also that they start to imagine the ways in which they fit, why their expertise and perspectives are incredibly valuable to technological spaces as well, that they should be at the table when these technologies are being developed, when they're being implemented, when we're considering the ethics, when we're thinking about the applications of technology for social good, when we're thinking about technology, even if we don't have social good in mind, but we should be thinking about the social implications. Social workers are really well equipped to push those types of conversations and thinking. So part of the work that we're trying to achieve at the Columbia School of Social Work is how to prepare our students to better engage in these environments, and also how to help them imagine how these technologies might help support some of the work that they're trying to do.